Hello, my name is Herbert Fuller, and I am of counsel with the law firm of Fuller & Fuller, a firm which does solely negligence work and personal injury work. Now, we've been a law firm for quite some time, and I personally have been an attorney for 56 years, over 56 years in fact. And during that period of time, I've reflected many times on what makes for a successful law firm, and three things come to mind. And the first thing is something that many people may not think of, and that is simply being available. An attorney should make himself or herself available so that the client can get in touch with him or her promptly. Now, the client may be in court, the attorney may be in court, but there should be a paralegal there who explains that the attorney is in court, but when the attorney gets back, the attorney will call. But frankly, it's surprising how many of these questions can be answered by the paralegal. The paralegal is very often close to the file and can tell whether the insurance company's responded and that sort of thing. So many times the paralegal can answer the question. But when the paralegal can't, the attorney should definitely get back as soon as possible and stay in touch with the client. The second thing that's important, seems to me, is moving the case along promptly. Because really, you're dealing with a claim against an insurance company, and the sooner the client gets his or her money, the better. And that's really what we're talking about. Many times, as a result of the accident, the client is in difficult financial shape, and it's important that you leave no stone unturned to push things along. That doesn't mean that you need not be thorough. You must be thorough, or you're not going to get your claim settled. But once you get the claim settled, it's done because everything has been done that reasonably can be done. And that's where the third factor. The third factor is the most difficult to come by, and that's experience. I'm very happy that each member of our law firm has over 20 years experience at personal injury work. There's really no substitute for that experience. It is so important. And as a result of the experience, an attorney can do the work promptly and correctly and get the case in a posture where it's ready to settle. And that's important because the insurance company probably will not settle that case with anything like a fair settlement unless all the work has been done and really you're ready to go to court if you need to. And when the insurance company knows that and knows that you're ready to roll, that's just the time you wind up getting your settlement and a fair settlement from the insurance company. So I think that those three things then, on reflection, are very important to establishing a good and successful law practice. First of all, simply being available. Second of all, being prompt. And third, having the experience so you can do a good and proper job for your client. Thank you.